The lights in New Harmony School have been off since 2012. If walls could talk, they might tell you about lessons learned in these halls. The A's and B's, or C's and D's. The wins and losses, and Rabbite's pride.
New Harmony High School saw its last students in 2011. The school was voted to close down by the school board that year due to low enrollment and lack of funding. 12 years later, the school is sat decaying and unused in a small town of New Harmony. Although in 2019 the building was bought by a man for $125,000 who vowed to restore it and repurpose it. The pictures I'm showing are back from 2019 when the school still looks somewhat new. Unfortunately, almost 5 years later, nothing has been done to the building, besides security, keeping people from vandalizing and also helping preserve the interior. After seeing some of the inside, it became clear that keeping people out isn't the only thing that is going to preserve the building. Natural deterioration has took its course the past 5 years. For the time I spent inside, I saw parts of the building that weren't displayed in the images. It became more clear why the old school hasn't been repurposed. The new owner may not have realized how run down the building was and how costly the renovation prices would be. But with the tight security in and outside the building, renovation can still be possible. But as time passes, the interior only gets worse. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my merch below. Today I'm at an abandoned school out in New Harmony. We're gonna check this place out. There is a sign that says cameras in use, so I'm gonna have to be a little bit careful. Does look pretty cool inside though. There's a camera up there. I'm wondering if they're actually in use. Doesn't look like they are. They look old. Oh wow. There's some cool stuff in there. They roped everything off. That is a big camera up there. Somebody busted out all these windows. Alright guys, we made it into this building. I'm not sure which entrance we're at. There are lockers in here. Dang. Wow. New Harmony Raptors. We're gonna explore this way first. Wow. These classrooms are still set up in here. Look how old these computers are. It's crazy. This place is massive. Look at all the old equipment. think this is the main hall. One of the main halls.
New Harmony native Eric Arnberg bought the building and land around it for $125,000. He didn't want to talk on camera, but his attorney Chris Wisher said there's a lot of work to do.
Still in the process of figuring it out, but his plan is to restore, repurpose the school.
Wisher says it'll likely be nonprofit. In an email to town council, Arenberg says he hopes to develop a craft or trade school. Classrooms could be studios, and land out back could be farm.
Going to be a lot of remodeling inside, but I'm glad to see that someone wants to go ahead with it.
Wisher said Arenberg wants the building to stay intact, which eases the mind of neighbors worried about industry.
A lot of traffic, a lot of noise, a lot of dust. So I would prefer not to have those kind of things, kind of keep it quiet like it is around here.
New Harmony School taught a generation.
He's confident once he gets in and gets a plan in place, it'll be positive.
And who knows, the next generation might be its best yet.
If you need something down the line, I won't guarantee you'll do it, but I guarantee you'll listen to you. So see what happens.
Most people here in New Harmony are just glad to see something happen to the building. Town Council President Alvin Blaylock says he's happy to see it go to a local man who seems to care.